This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We're still waiting for storms for a couple more hours, and you can still see a lot of blue sky and sunshine out across Grand Rapids, which is the case for most of West Michigan. A mix of sun and clouds and temperatures that have soared all the way into the upper 70s for many, and even a few 80s. Benton Harbor is still 81. South Haven was 82 earlier, come down now to 79, but the warmth and the sunshine and our wind from the south is helping to give us that chance for strong to severe storms later on this evening, continuing into the overnight. We are in a level 3 enhanced risk, so we bumped up our wind and hail threat, which is going to be the biggest concern overall today, but there is a little more spin in the atmosphere as well, so our tornado threat is slightly elevated compared to yesterday. Still, wind and hail are going to be the main hazards, but we can't rule out a spin up tornado, especially between around 8 and 11 p.m. if any individual storms form ahead of the main line of gusty thunderstorms that looks to move in around midnight. Heavy rain and flooding, while itself not a severe weather threat, is going to be a main threat in general, just because we will have some torrential downpours flowing into those already stressed river and creek bed streams, so high river levels and some street flooding still very likely. Here is that enhanced risk in orange for us. We already have storms that are ongoing out across into Milwaukee and other parts of Wisconsin, into Illinois, into Iowa. We also have some severe thunderstorms in Indiana and Ohio. So we are all clear for now, but over the next couple of hours, storms are going to begin to pop. We'll likely see these between 8 and 9 p.m. This model is of the opinion that we will likely see storm initiation a little later, maybe around 10 or 10:30 p.m. with wind and hail the main concerns with this, and then everything morphing into a very strong line of thunderstorms around midnight that could produce those 60 to 70 mile-an-hour winds, very large hail, and maybe a brief spin-up tornado as well. This will move very quickly out of West Michigan by around 2:30 or 3 a.m., ending our severe weather threat, but a couple of stronger storms on the backside of that line are possible, especially across southwest lower Michigan between around 3 and 5 a.m. We're also still going to see some heavy downpours continuing south of 94 through a lot of early tomorrow morning after that severe weather threat ends, and that will further give us that better flood potential that will be something that we're all going to have to monitor. Most recent model trends do keep some scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two around through mid-morning tomorrow, which is important not just from a flooding perspective, because we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain with significantly higher totals possible across southwest lower Michigan, but if those storms continue for a long time, we may not be able to have any storms happen later on in the day, which would be great, because tomorrow we are also under a marginal risk of severe storms. Here's that flood watch through Friday morning. That's going to be a bigger impact for us overall. And finally, on Friday, we do get a break from all of the activity, but it's short-lived. Another risk for strong and severe storms is Saturday.